In today's video, we're taking you on a countdown journey through our 5 best DEWALT hedge trimmers of 2025, starting from number 5 and building up to the ultimate top pick. We've organized these tools so you can see exactly how each one compares and why our number 1 choice truly stands out from the rest. Stick around because we'll show you the strengths, features, and real-world advantages of each model, making it easy to see which one fits your needs. All the products we talk about are linked in the description, so you can check them out directly. And hey, if you've used any DEWALT trimmers before or have a personal favorite, drop a comment below. We love seeing what works for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we've got plenty more countdowns and detailed tool reviews coming your way. Now, let's jump straight into the countdown and see which DEWALT trimmer takes the number 5 spot. Number 5. DCHT820P1 20V Max 22-inch blade, kit with battery and charger. The DCHT820P1 is placed at number 5 because it offers a perfect balance of performance, convenience, and user readiness. This is a complete kit that comes with a high-capacity 5.0 amp-hour battery and a fast charger, so you can start trimming hedges immediately without needing to buy anything extra. The 22-inch laser-cut dual-action blade is capable of cutting branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick, which makes it perfect for common residential hedges such as boxwood, Buxus spp, privet, ligustrum spp, or even cherry laurel, Prunus lariceris. It's light enough for long sessions, and the ergonomic handle ensures steady control while shaping hedges around patios, walkways, or fences. For example, you can easily maintain a row of clipped yew hedges, shape small topiaries, or trim viburnum borders without getting tired. This trimmer is ideal for homeowners who do not own any DEWALT batteries yet and want a ready-to-use kit for general garden maintenance. Its balance, smooth blade motion, and ease of handling make it highly practical for backyard trimming projects in suburban areas, townhouse gardens, or small front yard landscapes. Number 4. DCHT60V Max Flexvolt 26-inch blade, tool only. The DCHT870B takes the 4th spot because it is a heavy-duty, professional-grade hedge trimmer designed for larger properties, taller hedges, or very dense foliage. It features a 26-inch hardened steel dual-action blade that can easily cut branches up to 1.25 inches thick. Its brushless motor produces up to 3,400 strokes per minute, delivering fast and consistent cutting power across long sessions. This makes it perfect for maintaining large hedges like Leyland cypress, Cupressus x Lealandi, green giant arborvitae, Thuya standishi x plicata green giant, or mature Nellie Stevens holly, Ilex x Nellie R. Stevens, that line extensive properties, parks, or community spaces. The trimmer weighs about 8.7 pounds, which is heavier than the 20V Max models, but its balanced design ensures control and reduced arm fatigue during long jobs. This is a tool-only model, meaning it is best suited for people who already own DEWALT Flexvolt batteries or professional landscapers who need high-powered performance for large, thick, or overgrown hedges. It is ideal for real-world situations like trimming tall privacy screens, shaping mature hedge walls, or managing mixed species boundaries along long driveways in estate gardens. Number 3. DCHT20V Max 22-inch blade, kit with battery and charger. The DCHT821P1 is number 3 on the list because it combines efficiency, convenience, and kit readiness. This model comes with a 22-inch blade capable of cutting branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick, along with a 5.0 amp-hour battery and charger, making it ready for immediate use. It's excellent for trimming hedges like boxwood, privet, cherry laurel, viburnum, and yew, which are commonly found in suburban front yards, courtyard gardens, or backyard landscapes. With a runtime of up to 78 minutes, you can trim several hedges in one go without stopping to recharge. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to hold and maneuver around narrow garden beds, patios, fences, or landscaped borders. Real-world applications include shaping topiary yew, trimming dense privet screens along property lines, and maintaining medium-sized ornamental hedges like Photinia or golden honeysuckle, Lonicera natita. For homeowners starting fresh without any existing DEWALT batteries, this kit provides a practical solution that is ready for everyday hedge maintenance and precise trimming work. Number 2. DCHT821B 20V Max 22-inch blade, tool only. The DCHT-821B is placed second due to its refined motor, protective features, and suitability for precision hedge trimming. It has a 22-inch blade capable of cutting branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick, with a friction clutch mechanism that protects the motor from binding or stalling on dense branches. This feature is especially useful when working on tough or overgrown hedges like holly, yew, photinia, cherry laurel, or boxwood. Lightweight and well-balanced, the DCHT-821B allows homeowners to trim multiple hedges without excessive fatigue. It works well in real-world settings such as shaping front-yard formal boxwood borders, maintaining backyard privet screens, or trimming mixed-species garden hedges along pathways, patios, and driveways. The tool-only configuration makes it ideal for users who already own DEWALT 20V batteries, letting them integrate this trimmer into their existing tool collection while achieving professional-looking hedge cuts with minimal effort. Number 1. DCHT-820B 20V Max 22-inch blade, tool only. The DCHT-820B takes the number 1 spot because it combines reliability, ease of use, and consistent performance. Its 22-inch blade can handle branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick, delivering smooth, clean cuts on common hedges such as boxwood, privet, yew, cherry laurel, holly, viburnum, or arrowwood viburnum, Viburnum dentatum. Lightweight and ergonomically balanced, it reduces fatigue while allowing precise control even on smaller topiary hedges or narrow garden borders. Its tool-only design is perfect for users who already own DEWALT 20V batteries, providing flexibility and cost efficiency. In real-world usage, it is ideal for homeowners maintaining formal front yard hedges, backyard privacy screens, or mixed-species ornamental hedges along walkways, patios, and driveways. The DCHT-820B's combination of performance, battery compatibility, balance, and durability makes it the most versatile DEWALT hedge trimmer for small to medium residential gardens. These 5 DEWALT hedge trimmers cover every type of residential and small professional hedge maintenance need, from lightweight 20V Max tools for standard garden hedges to the high-powered 60V Flexvolt model for large or thick hedges. These trimmers are ranked based on real-world usability, cutting performance, battery compatibility, blade reach, and suitability for a variety of hedge types, making them highly practical for homeowners, garden enthusiasts, and small-scale landscapers.